Welcome back to Canvas, your one-stop platform for a successful online learning experience. In this user-friendly guide, we'll take you through the essentials of a Canvas course so you can confidently embark on your educational journey. Step 1. Exploring your course homepage. When you enter a Canvas course, you'll land on the course homepage. It's like your classroom hub, where you'll find everything you need. Here's what you'll typically see. Announcements. If your instructor has any important updates, they'll post them here. Keep an eye out for these at the top of the page. To-do list. On the right side, you'll find a handy checklist of tasks for your course. Be sure to complete these to stay on top of your assignments. Recent feedback. This section lets you check whether your assignments have been graded and returned. Click on them to view your feedback. Step 2. Getting to your course modules. Now, let's dive into the heart of your course. Modules are your instructor's way of organizing the course content. Typically, you'll find an orientation module, often titled Introduction and Resources, which contains all the crucial information you would traditionally get on the first day of an in-person class, like the learning outcomes and instructor's background experiences. Beyond the orientation module, most courses will have a module for each day of the course. These daily modules contain all the materials and assignments you need for that week. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see various tabs or links, depending on how your instructor has set up the course. Different types of course content. Now, let's explore the different types of items you might find in your course. 1. Announcements. This page is another source of information. Instructors and the academics team can include timetables, text, and media, like YouTube videos or lecture notes. Clicking on a page lets you access its content. 2. Discussions. A discussion is an interactive item represented by talk bubble icons. Your instructor may require you to participate in discussions. Pay attention to the due dates and specific instructions in the discussion prompt. When you're ready to reply to a discussion, click the reply button below the discussion post. You'll see a text box in the rich content editor, which allows you to format your response, insert links, and even record videos using your webcam. Remember, discussions are visible to both your instructor and your classmates, so maintain a respectful tone in your responses. 4. Quizzes. Quizzes are indicated by a rocket icon. Before starting a quiz, understand its time limit, the number of questions, and any allowed attempts. You'll find different question types, such as multiple choice, true/false, multiple select, matching, and essay. The quiz interface provides a timer to help you keep track of time while taking the quiz. 5. Viewing your grades. Tracking your academic progress is essential for a successful learning journey. You can easily monitor your performance by navigating to the Grades tab. Here, you will find a comprehensive breakdown of your overall grade, individual assignment scores, and any pending assignments. Keep in mind that your missing assignments might not reflect zeros until your instructor enters the grades. It's worth highlighting that maintaining good academic standing is crucial. To achieve this, aim for a minimum overall score of 60% and ensure you attend at least 70% of your scheduled classes in all your modules. 6. In-person class and online class details. Whether you're attending classes in person or online, you'll find all the necessary information about your classes in one convenient location. The hybrid module is designed for all programs and modules at TSoM, making it easy for you to access your class details. This page provides the links and passwords required to join your online classes. Additionally, you'll find the classroom number for your in-person classes, ensuring a seamless transition between different modes of learning. 7. Student support. We understand that students may have various needs and queries during their academic journey. You'll find all the information you need right here, whether you need to consult with an academic advisor, access TSoM library resources, or seek guidance concerning your health insurance provider. This section serves as a valuable resource hub, connecting you with the support and guidance necessary to make your educational experience as smooth and rewarding as possible. That's a lot to take in, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it in no time. Canvas is designed to make your online learning experience straightforward and accessible. If you ever have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your instructor or the academics department for help. Now, go ahead and explore your Canvas course with confidence. Good luck with your studies, and enjoy your learning journey.